Product Dossier Flagship Product TouchBase is an enterprise-class integrated project management system. The short demo will show you as to how TouchBase can manage different aspects of project lifecycle in the context of professional services industry. Jeff Immelt, part of the senior management team, logs into TouchBase using a web browser and a secure login and password. TouchBase shows several dashboards and analytics. Jeff sees enterprise financials, namely sales revenue, invoiced revenue, received revenue, and others. TouchBase supports multiple currencies. Jeff can further drill it down to see the revenue at the business unit level and then from there to see the revenue at the project level. There are other dashboards like top 5 customers based on revenue, quarter-wise revenue analysis, industry-wise, and so on. Now moving on to resources, Jeff can see monthly billable resources. Jeff can further see resource utilization for a particular month. In this case, he chooses the month of October and sees the resource utilization. Here it shows available capacity, planned capacity, actual hours booked by the employees, and then the invoiced revenue. Now TouchBase also has skills and competency matrix where all resources skills can be captured and resume can be built for each resource. TouchBase further allows you to see resource allocation across the enterprise. For instance, if you want to see the resource allocation starting from September, here it shows that 47% of the resources are free, so many resources are allocated, and so on and so forth. TouchBase also shows for a particular resource how he has been allocated. For instance, Irwin, one can see his resource allocation right from a particular month. For instance, here Irwin is allocated to different projects for different hours, and one can also see the detailed task analysis of Irwin. TouchBase has several other functionalities for which Jeff can see the analytics. For instance, Jeff can see the sales funnel as to how many inquiries have come and how many have been won. Jeff can further see the customer satisfaction survey results at the enterprise level, drill it down to business unit level, and so on and so forth. Jeff can see risk profile of all the projects going on in the organization. The risk probability number is shown here for that particular project. Jeff can further see the status of ISO audits. For instance, Jeff can see what are the open audits, how many audits have been completed, non-conformities for each department, and all other information. Now we will log out as Jeff, who was the management representative, and log in as Ron, who is project manager. As soon as Ron logs into the system, Ron sees list of projects for which he is the owner. Clicking on any project will show the complete details of that particular project. In the header you can see there is a unique project, actual dates, planned hours, actual hours, and billed hours, and all other information. There are several tabs and sub-tabs in which project information is classified. This gives software a very easy to use user interface. TouchBase can manage different type of projects like fixed cost, T&M, and others. There is a financial tab which shows the complete project financials. For instance, Ron can see what is the planned project profitability, actual project profitability, and other financial parameters. Ron can further set up a budget for the project. Ron can track project costs, which includes resource cost, material cost, and miscellaneous cost. Ron can see the financial milestones for this project. Ron can further create invoices on a click of a button, and all other financial information. You can see the WBS tab here. Project WBS allows you to do project planning with tasks, milestones, and gates. You can further see the EVMS values for any project here. So you can see these values on a week-to-week basis, month-to-month basis, etc. Planned value, actual value, and the forecasted values for schedule and cost. Ron can further use a Gantt chart to see the graphical view of the project planning. Here it shows the complete tasks, etc. in a graphical manner. Dependencies can be set. This view can be used to see planned versus actual. So these additional yellow bars are the additional time taken for those activities. All project documents can be captured here, including revisioning and electronic approval of document using workflows. Besides this, each project can have risks, issues, and meetings. There is a customer satisfaction surveys, knowledge assets. Each project can further have bill of material, bill of quantities, the entire procurement processes within a project, including project vendors, etc. Each project can have resources, and these resources can be assigned specific permissions, so we can define as to who can do what in the project. Further, each project can have analytics where project health and other parameters can be shown. TouchBase is a best-in-class integrated project management software, quick to implement, and world-class customer support services. For more information or a detailed demo, please write to us at sales@productdossier.com. Thank you.